Are you a contractor looking for more business? Are you a contractor that is looking to be found on voice search? So when somebody has something that they ask Alexa that's in your category, that your business comes up? Are you looking to be able to find more people on local search without the need of Google ads or Facebook ads or Bing ads, but to where you still show up on that first page when someone's looking for your business? If this is something you're looking for, SimplyBeFound's advertising platform puts you into the driver's seat and lets you or your assistant or whoever you want to do it in about 5 to 10 minutes per day, get your business found and put more eyeballs on your business. Personally, I've worked with thousands of contractors in my career for marketing them. We have created this platform to be able to put you in the driver's seat for you to be able to do your own marketing to get your business found. It's going to give you an exact to-do list of what you need to follow, so it is nothing but paint by number, and be able to customize it to your business because you know your business better than we do. Give us a try. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just go to simplybefound.com and we'll see you there.